This is Chris from Mighty Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine cheddar and mozzarella inside a crunchy potato shell, served with tomato dipping sauce. Let's see what $6.95 gets me. Wow! 8 little potato cheesy nugget thingies and some sauce. While you're here, press me button and that button. Yay! So start off with about 4 potatoes. Wash them and peel them. Cut them up into small cubes and give them a quick boil to soften them up. Panko breadcrumbs, handful of cornflakes. Give them a quick blitz. Chuck them on a plate. Crack an egg into a bowl. Add some cayenne pepper and give it a quick mix. Drain the water from your spuds. Add your cheddar and mozzarella. Give it a good crack of black pepper. Give it a mash. And roll them up into balls. I ended up with about 12. Dip your balls in egg and roll them in the crumb. Careful not to get sticky fingers. Give them a quick dunk in hot veggie oil. I'm cooking mine at about 180 degrees centigrade. Serve it up with tomato sauce and give it a good dose of salt. Not bad for under $3. Cheesy, gooey goodinesses. Tell you what, that is well worth making. Probably even worth washing all the dishes afterwards. This has been Chris from Mighty Munch, and I'll see you next Thursday.